all corner. Yes, now the condition that will meet up school. Even still himself for school, he don't chakara go. And then I said, one a big office like this. Now school this, where if they prepare for open for number 4 day for inside this school, now Bangem that, yes. Government bilingual high school for Bangem. I say grass, he don't cover. Now goats, he dey look at the school now, yes, like that. Goats, he dey look at the school. And they hold on them, they dey lock. When normal administrative people, then they don't get for enter for that school. But now so, condition for this school, them, if they try for show we say, if they like say they never prepare for open school for inside number 4 day for inside this month. So this will be enter to for inside tailoring workshop. The other side they too, they try for tell you say business in the worker. Make we hear people then for Bangem talk, palaver for turn back for school.
This one I buy the book, and nobody say no one. People they know the answer says. People they know the answer.
No man no look am. And as we say we can sell the thing for years, so say we don't tell we say school go be the year. Say no school no go be. But in the past we regret plenty money we don't carry and put them for back. Where no one will come out, no man will go for market. If you when I go to market, no go to market. When I pay market this, because small time now it will be now. We say we go school, no go to market. See money time we go market so even for Puka could pass way.
The credit you have to take for bank, go buy the 10 roll uniform there. Since that time, I never saw no one don't go get uniform for market. Since July, now September, no man never ever pass, no parent never pass.
We go surely come back again for that palaver for 1 o'clock for talk palaver the condition for school compound for that side zone for inside Bangem town. Now also make we talk another chapter na palaver for market the way they lock for that side so for Bamenda country people them so now to the way they enter we hear the toxins on store the way they don't open them, other store the way they never open them. Sabi say Vincent Dumu when I'm governor delegate for that side for Bamenda. If you go locks on people they store them for that side for Bamenda for secrecy team, they be respect country son the way they take pass on Monday. Sabi say Dumu be don't fair home meeting, don't government with people that Bamenda for Saturday for one them say any man where he respect country Sunday, he go can add second lock for a door and Nason Dumu he take to for that side so for Bamenda and Tori where they enter we here so take top for them. Some store the day where they don't open them, other one the day where they never open them. So just now na palava for big game for inside Bamenda day and so they also ask why Dumu being serving and governor delegates he go open some store and then he locks some other one there. So even market people that Bamenda now so from Tarikum market for precise they sell now for our side for secrecy that big man he owns a store they never open them since when they take local. So then say they don't put their new place for sale for us.